Welcome back to PcomLab. In this video, we will download and install VS Code, Visual Studio Code, also known as IDE, step by step. First of all, you must have to know what is VS Code. So, Visual Studio Code is a free, open source, cross platform code editor created by Microsoft itself. It's not just a simple text editor. It has built-in IntelliSense for smart code suggestions, syntax highlighting, debugging tools, Git integration, themes, and thousands of extensions. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's download and install VS Code on Windows. If you want to install on Mac or Linux or whatever OS you have, you can download using official site of VS Code. So open any web browser. I have Chrome. If you have Brave, Mozilla Firefox, MSH or whatever, you can also download through it. Here simply type download VS Code. First link first, or you can also get it from www.code.visualstudio.com. Here on the home page, click the big blue download button for Windows, and it will ask to save this installer file in your device. I am going to save it in my drive and simply click on save. Now press Ctrl J. Here you can see VS Code is downloading. So wait. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Windows 64-bit is selected automatically in most cases. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the VS Code setup.exe file. Double click on it. Here's the full license agreement. You must accept the terms of this agreement before continuing with the installations. Okay, I accept the agreement. Click on next. Keep the default install location. Click on next. Don't create a start menu folder. If you want, you can simply click on it. Click on next. Select add to path if shown. Click on next and hit install. After installation, click Finish to launch VS Code. Great, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code, or you can say VS Code. When you open VS Code for the first time, you will see a clean welcome screen with quick options to create a new file or open a folder. The activity bar on the left give access to explore, search, source control, run and debug, extensions and more. You can save your file with any extension, for example .html, .c, .cpp, .python, or you can say .py. And VS Code will automatically detect the language and enable syntax highlighting. Extensions, the real power. VS Code becomes even more powerful with this feature. and it called extensions. Click the extensions icon on the left sidebar or press Ctrl Shift X. You can install tools like Python, C, C++, Notepad++, Keymap, Jupyter, Pylons, and many more. So that's how you download, install, and get started with Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss future updates from PcomLab. We will continue to bring you PC and laptop tips, some essential and effective coding guides, and software tutorials. Until then, tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.